Hi everyone, I'm Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies. You can find me on Facebook, New Leaf Natural Therapies, all over the place. And of course my online kinesiology course coming soon. So with my favourite techniques, it's not a complete diploma or anything, it's my favourite techniques that I'm going to be really happy to share with everyone. So what I wanted to chat about today was with HCG and my belief about, and actually it's not just my belief, it's what science is now showing, that if you've heard of the ACEs study, the Adverse Childhood Events study, it basically looks at people over a long period of time who have had childhood trauma or crap happen to them in their past and subsequently have issues with obesity. So what has been found is that trauma can damage our genes, switch on our inflammatory pathways, and our obesity genes. So it's sort of nice knowing that there is a reason. It's not just energy in, energy out. If you have switched on your genetics for obesity, it's a really challenging job turning it around. So one of my, besides kinesiology, which obviously I love for helping people to move forward with their issues, and the HCG process, which I think is amazing for turning things around, my new favourite product, if people can, well, let's face it, it's all about $1, isn't it? What can we afford to do in the background? But one of my new favourite products during HCG is detox, BrocShots. So this little guy here, it's a pack of 30. So basically what that is, if you've checked out sulforaphane, which I highly recommend, go YouTube sulforaphane, check out the Cheeky Baby, who's got a whole bunch of videos about it, and you will fall in love with this particular thing, which is from broccoli sprout extracts. So sulforaphane is amazing, and it has all sorts of anti-cancer properties. It's got anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to switch on our detox genes. So the more munted we are at birth, so if we've got dodgy genetics, for a start, that puts us behind the 8 ball when it comes to obesity and inflammation and toxicity. But what the BrocShots is, it gives you a massive dose of sulforaphane, which is really quite phenomenal. So every time you take one of these little shots, you're supporting over 200 of your genes. So your anti-inflammatory and your pro-detoxification. So in each box you get a little cup, you fill it up with water. Some people complain about the flavour. I don't get that. I really don't find it a problem at all. But you twist it on, the little shot, and see here there's like a little divot in the top. You twist that around and then you push it down. You heard that, so you have to put a bit of effort into it, so it's good for your wrists. And then you give it a shake. So basically, and then you should drink it within 10 minutes because you've activated it. You don't want to let oxygen get to it once it's in there. So then you open it up and you drink it up. So that is your BrocShot. Then it's done. You only get one of these. Don't put it in the dishwasher, it'll munt it. I did that. These are fully recyclable, which I find amazing. And the guy who has developed it, he developed BrocShots because he was using a sulforaphane product and he actually got rid of his asthma. And he thought, how the heck did sulforaphane get rid of my asthma? Not only that, but one of my clients just came in the other day. She had her daughter, who's a uni student, major allergies, sinus, hay fever, just constantly behind the 8 ball with her immune system. And she complained every day for the first month taking the BrocShots until her mum was popping in to pick up some supplements and she just said to her, well, I'm not going to get you any more BrocShots, you complain so much. And the daughter was like, no. And she'd taken hardly any antihistamines. She had to use a nasal spray heaps less. She was feeling heaps better in class at uni. So even though she complained every single day, she was getting really good results with the BrocShots. That wasn't for obesity, that was just for sinus, hay fever, allergies. So it's a neat, tidy way of getting a whole bunch of nutrients in, and there's so much good stuff. So we stock it here at New Leaf Natural Therapies. If you do contact the website, I basically sell it at exactly the same price that Jay does on his website. So you can contact me at New Leaf Natural Therapies or at health team at newleafnaturaltherapies.com.au, and it's 20% off if you get 6 months supply, by the way. Pretty good value. Okay. Anyway, have a great day. And well, like I said, I'm sort of finding that this, if people can afford to do it during the HCG process, because the fat cells are releasing so many toxins, this is actually releasing a whole lot of toxicity from your body. Because if your genes aren't working for detoxification, you might actually be moving toxins but not getting them out of the system. I truly believe in detoxification simultaneously to doing the HCG product, during the HCG. So obviously I stock all things HCG as well. But anyway, have a great day. Hope that's useful for all you weight lossers out there. Good luck. Go live your best life. Love you. Bye.